looking to visually represent your website data with handy customizable options? No worries! We have the Radar Chart Widget in Happy Addons to help you. It's an amazing feature that helps you clearly and smartly describe your website data. Using the widget, you can create different types of charts to demonstrate your data, pinpoint trends, and express different types of information more effectively. This widget comes in the premium package of Happy Addons, but before that, do make sure to install and activate the free versions of Elementor and Happy Addons. One quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. First, add the widget here. You'll get a default view of the widget. Now expand the Radar Chart option. Here, you can add your label names, separating them by commas. Here, add the value for each section and see the chart spikes that are appearing in the dashboard. Also, you can change the section name. You can customize each section's color from here. Here, check out the background color, border color, and pointer color. Also, you can add more items from here if you want. Open the settings and adjust the size of the chart. Show or hide the tooltip and title. And add a title. Show or hide the legend. Position it. And reverse it. Also, you can control the animation of the chart element. You can set the duration and easing. In the preset section, you can use the pre-made design of the widget. Click on the Style section and customize the widget. Stylize the common and change the padding. Line tension. Border widget. Pointer border widget. And typography. Open the legend, then change the box width and typography. Lastly, check the options in the tooltip and apply the design. Another thing, you can check the responsiveness of the design from here. Once you're done, preview the design. So that's how you can use the Radar Chart widget of Happy Addons. Finally, remember to subscribe and follow our social channels for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned.